Hey everyone! Today let's talk about some simple money rules that'll keep your wallet happy and your life stress-free. These are the rules that have stood the test of time, so let's dive right in. First things first, always focus on creating value. Whether you work in an office, run your own business, or take care of your home, adding value is key. It might not always be about money, but this mindset can lead to financial gains in the long run. When you're dealing with money, make sure everyone involved comes out as a winner. This sets the stage for future partnerships and collaborations. Don't spend money just to boost your ego. Hard egos can lead to tough financial times. So think twice before splurging on things you don't really need. Cash is your friend. Avoid relying too much on credit. Keeping a good balance of cash is important for both your business and personal life. Mixing money with friendship can get messy. Keep your financial dealings separate from your personal relationships to avoid any drama. Start teaching kids about money from a young age. Even little ones can understand basic money concepts, setting them up for financial success later on. When it comes down to it, choose relationships over money. Love and laughter are worth more than any amount of cash. Be generous whenever you can. Whether it's tipping at restaurants or helping out a friend in need, kindness goes a long way. Take care of your things and make them last. It's better for your well-being and your wallet in the long run. Lastly, keep things simple. Whether it's your investment strategy or your borrowing habits, simplicity is key. Don't fall for fancy deals that might end up costing you more in the end. And there you have it, 10 simple money rules to live by. Remember, keeping things simple, being kind, and prioritizing relationships are the keys to financial happiness. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay savvy and spread the wisdom.